Qihe Electrical Technology Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of pick-and-place machine, stencil printer, reflow oven. We are located in Yueqing City, Zhejiang Province, with convenient transportation access. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE and FCC. We are committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, and our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. At the same time, we will, as always, in accordance with the reputation first, customer first principle, always put the interests of customers in the first place. Dedicated to provide every customer with quality products and services. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asia, Europe, Middle East. We are committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, and our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. The company has strong technical force with experienced software and hardware engineers, professional product development designers. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.